folks. This video is about Dodda Alada Mara, located in the village of Ketohalli in the Bengaluru urban district of Karnataka. It is in the outskirts of Bengaluru city and the path towards is filled with greenery on both sides. There is a beautiful Panchmukhi Ganesha temple on the way to Alada Mara near Kengeri satellite town on Mysore Road. It is situated near to the main road next to SGK Modern Public School, Kengeri. There is ample parking space available behind the tree. Its location is very convenient for people who come in public transport also. There are direct buses available from KR Market to Dodda Alada Mara, which stops just beside the tree. This big banyan tree is considered as the fourth biggest banyan tree after world's biggest tree at Andhra Pradesh, Kolkata and Adyar tree at Chennai. There is no entry fee and the place is open all days between 8 am to 5:30 pm. This famous big banyan tree, popularly known as Dodda Alada Mara in the regional language Kannada, is a giant approximately 400-year-old tree. Upon first glance, it's a bit difficult to tell which is a branch, a root or a trunk. This tree covers an area of 3 acres spread out widely with more than 1,000 aerial roots. It has a crown circumference of more than 250 meters and the highest branch rises to about 95 feet. The tree now lives without its main trunk. In the late 2000s, the main trunk of the tree succumbed to natural illness and thus the tree now looks like a bundle of a vast collection of trees. Banyan takes the name from Sanskrit word banyas, which literally means traders. Since Indian traders sold their merchandise and relaxed under the shade of this tree during the colonial period, the tree was named as banyan by the British. From the 17th century onwards, English writers began to refer to the tree as banyan tree. Daniel Defoe featured it in his 1719 novel. The first Europeans to encounter banyan tree were Alexander the Great and his army, who reached India in 326 BC. There is a fenced boundary around the tree and the area is well maintained with pathways, cement benches and enough dustbins. And there are shops and restaurants located right opposite to this. This is the national tree of India and also the state tree of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. The entire area is scattered with shreds of branches. The tree is a natural home to a number of monkeys, so be careful with your belongings. There are many cultures that find spiritual significance in the banyan tree. It is mentioned in many ancient Indian texts and scriptures like Hindu mythology and Buddhism. Banyan tree represents eternal life because of its ever-expanding branches. A banyan tree is important to Indian society not only for its religious significance but also for the immense medicinal properties. Aladamada plays a central part in a lot of ancient haunted tales among the local residents. The distance between Dodda Aladamada from Bangalore Airport is around 60 km and 30 km from MG Road. It's just 10 minutes driving distance from Rajarajeshwari College of Engineering on Mysore Road. There is a small temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is believed that the big banyan tree symbolizes the Holy Trinity of Hindu gods. The Dodda Aladamara has been standing here strong like an old sage for more than 4 centuries, witnessing the change in the world and spreading its greenery and enigma. That makes it a worth visit for anyone who is visiting Bengaluru or Mysore. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your feedback and suggestions are really valuable. Please do it in the comment section.